Hello everyone. For today's video I'm going to do these wine glasses. I got these at the dollar bill store for $1 a piece, and I thought they'd be cute to just do a little pattern on for something different. So I'm just going to be using this Apple Barrel multi-surface paint, and to start I think I'm going to use white, and I'm going to just do like a pattern going down it, like around and then down. So to start I'm going to use the number 8, and I'm going to count my dots as I'm going around to see if it's even or not. Okay, so I ended up with 40 dots around. Okay, so that's nice because we can go every other one because it's even. So I'm going to use this light yellow next. And I'm doing both of these at the same time, but I'm just not showing you because I want to have a set, his and hers. So I'm going to use the number 8 again, and I'm going to do another dot right in between in the next row, but I'm going to do every other one. Now I'm going to come in with the number 2, and I'm going to walk some dots around those yellow ones with the white. Okay, now I'm going to come in with this electric blue, and I'm going to walk some more dots. I think I'm going to go up to a number 3. Now I'm going to go around and just do 3 dots to start. Now I'm going to come in with the number 2. And I'm going to draw a couple lines down. Maybe 3 dots going down. This is the number 11 in white. And I'm going to put it right underneath that one. Okay, now I'm going to come in with the number 3 in that blue color again, and I'm going to put a dot in between. I'm going to come in with the number 6 in that same blue color and put another dot underneath. Now I'm going to come in with the number 7 in the yellow color again, and I'm going to make a dot right underneath. White one. Now I'm going to take that blue and put some more dots on here. I think I'm going to go with the number 3 and put a dot below each one of these yellow ones to start. Okay, now I'm going to move to the number 2 and I'm going to walk them up to those other blue dots. Now I'm going to come in with the number 5 in blue and put another dot right underneath these. So I think I'm going to leave it like that. Let me see. Okay, get a better view. I'm going to do top dots and that on it, but I don't know that I want to come down any further. I think I might just leave it right along the top. Go to the number 4, and I'm going to do every other dot with the blue color. Well, I'm going to come in with the number 7 in that dark blue color. Well, the only blue color I've been using. And I'm going to top dot on those whites. Now I'm going to come in with this lighter blue color I got. This is Summer Sky. I'm going to start by top dotting up here with the number 4. Now I'm going to come in with that same color with the number 2, and I'm going to dot these big ones with. Okay, now with the number 4, I'm going to top dot on these. And then with the number 2, I'm going to top dot these little ones down here. And then I'm going to top dot with the dark blue color on all those yellows with the number 4. Now I'm going to add just a little bit down here too. So I'm going to go in with the number, with the white. I'm going to go with the number 9 and do dots around the base. Now I'm going to come in with the number 7 and the yellow and just do another row. I'm going to come in with the number 4 and do another white dot in from that. Now I'm going to go in with the number 3 and that bright blue color and top dot on the yellow dots. I'm also going to use that dark blue and I'm going to top dot these big ones with the number 6. And now I'm going to come in with that Summer Sky color, which is the light blue, and I'm going to use the number 2, and I'm going to top dot on those ones we just did. I paused and blew it dry, so they should be good. And there we have it, a set of 2 wine glasses. I thought they turned out pretty cute. Now all that's left to do is I have to let them sit for an hour and then bake them for a half an hour. Just make sure you follow your instructions. the Deco Art multi-surface cures different than the apple barrel. So just don't assume that it's going to be the same. Make sure you read the bottle. This one you only have to wait an hour, and then you can bake it for a half hour at like 350. The Deco Art requires that it sits for 4 days before you bake it. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.